Have you heard of Menchi Katsu? It's a Japanese classic. It's a deep-fried ground meat cutlet that doesn't always get the spotlight it deserves. If Hambāgu and Tonkatsu had a baby, this is it. Juicy like Hambāgu, crispy like Tonkatsu, and packed with flavor. Traditionally is made out of ground beef and pork, formed into patties, breaded and fried until golden brown. No cheese, just pure comfort. But today, I'm adding mozzarella. The molten cheese center takes it to another level. And instead of using your standard egg panko coating, we're dipping it in a little tempura batter, egg, and water. Then coating it in panko for that extra crispy light shell. Alright, let's make it. In a bowl, mix ground beef and pork with minced onion, panko that's been soaked in milk, egg, salt, pepper, nutmeg, and a little Kewpie mayo. Mix thoroughly by hand until sticky and uniform. Flatten each disc, place mozzarella in the center, and wrap meat around it, sealing it well. Shape it into ovals, chill in the fridge for 15 to 30 minutes. In a bowl, whisk together tempura flour, egg, cold water until smooth. Batter should be light and pourable, not water. Dip each patty into tempura batter. Allow excess to drip and then coat in panko. Gently press to ensure the panko adheres evenly. Then let's fry it at 350 to 5 to 6 minutes, flipping once until golden and the internal temp hits 160. Drain on a wire rack or paper towels. Serve it with some shredded cabbage, rice, sauce. The sauce is a mixture of ketchup, Worcestershire sauce, and a little soy. では、いただきます. It's juicy, crunchy, melty, and built for that first bite wow moment. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. では、ごちそうさまでした.